It's funny, no one ever buys gas here. It's way, way high. Very high. Check the prices of the soda bottles. Let's see how much. Doesn't say. $2.99. We can get that. I can get that closer to $2 right now. Sody Pops. It's like a tree farm behind it. All the rows of trees, some kind of tree farm where they sell them. There's the bottle. Still here, Route 66, baby. Let's see what it looks like up close. This camera feels like it's zoomed in so much. Super zoomed in. You can't get very much in the frame at all. I've got it as far back as possible. A little dirty up there. What is this thing made of? Not too long ago I saw some guys out here, some guys working on the lights. Actually, physically working. What is it up close? Close, it's a bunch of bars, cracks, rust, what have you. Thought about making this 3D printing. I could probably do it. There's just a lot of gaps. It'd be kind of hard to print, you know. There'd be a lot of supports and things you'd have to worry about. But I might make this.